In front of me is Itel S24 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down to tap on password and security. Then select lock screen passwords. Hit one of those options to pick a perfect one for you and create it. Repeat it to confirm it. Choose confirm. Tap on one of those options to adjust lock screen notifications and hit done. So when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, icons that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!